So, okay, you guys, this is another car show. Same day. I just did the cars and coffee earlier this morning, and I made it out here finally, man. I meant to make it out here early, but didn't work out that way. I was stuck in traffic on the I-10 for about an hour, hour and a half because of some accident. It's only an hour and a half drive, and it took me 3 hours to get here because of the accident on the 10. There we go. And there's a 78 Ford pickup truck with a 4.3 liter Chevy V6 engine in it. And I'm just going to do a quick walk around. I guess all the cars, trucks, whatever. Yeah, it seems like it's pretty decent. And as you guys know, this is the one I detailed yesterday. Got ready for show. And this is here in Wilcox. I always liked this truck. Now that I detailed it yesterday, I love it even more than ever. It's a nice truck. Alright, let's check out everything else. Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
I finally made it out here. You wouldn't believe what happened.
Oh.
Well, I mean, it's not bad, but so much for getting started early. Well, I got to start early. I went to Cars and Coffee this morning, did a little quick video like I'm doing right now,
Yeah.
and they had some nice cars out there. So I head out like around 10:30, and I just barely got here because there was an hour and a half, literally on the 10. Everyone we had to park and turn off our engines because there was such a bad accident.
Really?
I guess they were saying there was like an 18 wheeler that did what do they call that?
Jackknife?
Yeah, jackknife. That's exactly the expression. And but when I went through, it looked like it went over the cliff or something because the railing was all like mangled,
Whoa.
and there was tire treads, like chunks of tire tread all over the 10. So I'm like, I had to pop my hood, let the engine cool down. I was just like, oh man, I'm never gonna make it out here. It was an hour and a half drive according to GPS, and it took me like 3 hours to get here. Like if I was going to Phoenix. That was the longest road trip, man, for
Well, no
Wilcox.
shit.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around and like film all the cars, and I'll be right back. I like
Yeah.
that one right there, the Yanko. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's an SS Nova. SS. Yeah. I seen your truck. How did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
There's a few things that need to be touched up.
well, they had white
Oh, the wax
dots
residue.
all over it. Even
White
on the tailpipes, like off
from.
the roof or something.
I'll take a look at it in a minute.
Well, I've
Yeah.
been wiping
You
all
wiped
day
it down.
long, and
It's white residue, probably from the wax, is what it is. And you wipe
well,
it, and
they're
then
little dots.
little dots.
Yeah.
It's probably from the undercarriage when I washed it, because you had a little bit of mud and dirt coming out. Let me just do this walk around. I'll be right back, and we'll
Well,
talk about it.
I got it just
You got it.
about all gone.
All right. Well, I'll talk. I'll come back. I want to talk to you anyways.
Okay.
All right. Let me just do this. All right. I'll be right back.
All right. Maybe they can find us.
that's a nice Stang right there. Pretty cool. Man, this is clean. I like this right here. It's pretty hot right here too. Cool. It's just a small little car show. It's not really that much of a big deal. It's alright. Just a bunch of classic cars. Now this 57 Bel Air is pretty nice. I think this is the one I like the most out of the show so far. Besides the Mustang. Well, there's a few that I like, but this one I like a lot. Besides the red Mustang next to it. Very nice. I love my 57 Bel Airs. Especially when they're all hot rodded out. Nice.
Someone shut off fireworks at the bonfire. Trevor Sumner. Yeah.
Love this Mustang too. Maybe one of these days or weekends I can head up to Tucson or Phoenix to one of their car shows. Do like a video on supercars. Man, this is definitely resto modded. New 5.0. It's nice. It's a 65 Mustang according to the paperwork, which it is, I can tell. Well, wait a minute, is it? Yeah, it is. I can tell. Plus the paperwork says it's a 65. Yep. Very nice.